This is Elkie's car. And of course, ooh. Whee! Sa June, of course, after B-Day of TP's 1-year-old. I repeat it now. After TP's 1-year-old birthday, magpapaayos din natin yung yung kwarto, and papaluwagin yung terrace. Ito yung cabinet. Ito yung pinto sa cabinet. Dito sa cabinet. Kama. May sliding cabinet. Bookshelf. Altar table. Bookshelf. No sofa. Then, papaluwagin yung terrace ng eto, para hindi masikip. Lalagay natin yung iron grill sa terrace para hindi makuha ang mga thieves. Hindi makapasok ang thieves.